it's Nabila with Mailmint, and today I'm going to talk about an exciting feature in Mailmint, which is delay in pop-up forms. Now, you may have already been using our pop-up forms for your business, right? And this delay feature is going to add an additional perk to the pop-up forms that you're using. Now, let's have a look at how you can use it in Mailmint very easily. To create a pop-up form with a delay to show it on your website, you need to have Mailmint Free Pro installed and activated on your WordPress dashboard. Now that I have already done that, I'm going to show you the form that I've created. So basically, in the forms module, you can see that I have a form which is newsletter subscription. Let me show you the form at a glance. Now you can see that the title of this form is newsletter subscription, and I have assigned this form to a list which is new lead. Now if I scroll down and click on appearance, you can see that I have selected this form to be displayed on all posts I have. Alright, now currently in my website I have only one post, so let me show you which one that is. So if I go to the posts, you can see that I have one post which is 15 plus email pop-up examples, and I have another post which is defaultly created by WordPress. So if I go to the post that I have created and open this, you can see that the pop-up appears automatically and right when the page loads or the post loads, right? Now, if I go back to my form settings, what I'm going to do is scroll down and click on form type. Now you can see that the form type is currently set up as pop-up. So under the pop-up section, you can see that there's an option which is pop-up time delay. Now, if you enable this option, you'll get a field. Now in this field, you can set a specific time delay for your pop-up form to show up on that specific page or post that you've selected. All right. Now let's say I'm going to select my pop-up form to be appeared after 5 seconds. So if I select 5 and then update this, what I'm going to do is load my post again. All right. Now what I'm going to do is show you the post once again, and you can see the pop-up doesn't appear right away. And after 5 seconds, my pop-up has appeared here. All right. Now, if you go back, you can see that you can set up how much time delay you want for your pop-up form to show up on a post, on a page, or maybe a product. All right. Now, you can go ahead and create pop-up forms for your specific posts and pages so that they can appear after a certain time and however you want on your website. Let us know how you're going to use the pop-up forms for your business from now on. I'm going to see you in my next video. Take care.